Hello everyone, I am Kanchan Shete, working as Assistant Professor in KTHM College, Nashik. Today I am presenting video lecture on Specialized Auditing, Paper 6th. Before I will start with syllabus, let me tell you objectives of the course. So, first objective is to understand the concept, need, importance, utility of auditing in special field. Second is to develop the skills of students to face the modern world of auditing. And third is to create awareness among the students to face the modern world of auditing. Students, every subject has start with its syllabus. So I think today we will go through the revised syllabus of this subject. Let us see the syllabus. This is the syllabus. We will study 4 units in this third semester. First unit is Audit under Tax Law. In this chapter, we will study 3 main contents. First is Tax Audit under Section 44AB of Income Tax Act 1961. Under this section, 3 forms we will study. Form 3CA, 3CB and 3CD. Next content is Audit under GST law. In that, steps to be taken by auditor under GST law. And next content is GST audit procedure. After first unit, we will study second unit, that is internal audit. It included various contents like nature, scope, and purpose of internal audit. Then, review of internal control. Next content is areas of internal audit. After that, purchase, sale, cash, bank transactions. And last content is internal audit report. After second unit, we will study audit of banks. In third unit, there are various contents related banks. First content is salient features of enactments affecting banks. Next is bank audit and its approach. Next content is steps in bank audit. Next is checking of assets and liabilities. Next is scrutiny of profit and loss item. And last content is audit report of banks. Then we will study fourth unit, audit of cooperative societies. It includes various contents like provisions of Maharashtra State Cooperative Societies Act 2013 and Multi-State Cooperative Societies Act 2002. Second content is special features of audit of cooperative societies. Third content will be study audit of cooperative consumer stores. Fourth is audit of salary earners cooperative society. Fifth is audit of cooperative housing societies. Sixth content is audit of urban cooperative credit society, and last is audit report of cooperative societies. Now, let us start from first unit, audit under tax laws. Before understanding what is tax audit, let us understand introduction to the audit. See, audit suggests that it is an official inspection and systematic review or assessment of books of accounts. Typically, it is done by an independent body. There are various kinds of audit being conducted under different laws, such as company audit or statutory audit, conducted under company law provisions, then cost audit, stock audit, etc. Similarly, income tax law also mandates an audit called tax audit. Now, let's see the basic meaning of tax audit. So, tax audit means it is an examination or review of accounts of any business or profession carried out by taxpayer from an income tax viewpoint. It makes the process of income computation for filing of return of income easier. It is made compulsory by the Income Tax Act if the annual gross turnover or receipts of the assessee exceed the specified limit. Tax audit is conducted in Section 44AB of the Income Tax Act 1961 by a chartered accountant. So, simply tax audit means an audit of matters related to tax. Basically, the due date for the tax audit is 30th September, but for the assessment year 2020-2021, the due date for tax audit is 31st October 2020. Now, let us see the main objectives of tax audit. Tax audit is conducted to achieve the following objectives. First objective is ensure proper maintenance and correctness of books of accounts and certification of the same by a tax auditor. That means taxpayers or assessee should properly maintain their books of accounts for the purpose of tax audit. Second objective is reporting observations noted by tax auditor after a methodical examination of the books of accounts. That means tax audit conducted by a chartered accountant. And third objective is to report prescribed information such as tax depreciation, compliance of various provisions of income tax law, etc. This says that CA is reported to the Income Tax Department in form number 3CA, 3CB and 3CD along with the income tax return. Let us see who has to get tax audit under Section 44AB done or who is mandatorily subject to tax audit. See, every person who derives income by way of business or profession and maintains books of accounts. A taxpayer is required to have a tax audit carried out if the sales turnover or gross receipts of business exceeds rupees 1 crore in financial year. However, a taxpayer may be required to get their accounts audited in certain other circumstances. Now, let's see who can conduct tax audit under Section 44AB. We have already know about, but Section 44AB of the Income Tax Act 1961 contains the provisions for the tax audit of an entity. As per this provision, tax audit shall be conducted by a chartered accountant who holds the certificate of practice and who ensures that the taxpayer has maintained proper books of accounts and complied with the provisions of the Income Tax Act. Next point is tax audit applicability. The following persons need to be liable for tax audit report under Section 44AB. See, first is carrying on business. If total sales, turnover or gross receipts exceeds rupees 1 crore, it means an assessee need to be audited under Section 44AB if his annual gross turnover receipts in business exceeds rupees 1 crore. Second is carrying on profession. If gross receipts exceeds rupees 50 lakh, it means an assessee need to be audited under Section 44AB if his annual gross receipts in profession exceeds rupees 50 lakh, shall get their accounts audited and furnish audit report duly signed by CA within a specified date. Now, let's see tax audit report forms under Section 44AB. There are 3 forms for reporting under Section 44AB. First is Form 3CA. Is furnished when a person carrying on business or profession is already mandated to get his accounts audited under any other law. Second is Form 3CB. Is furnished when a person carrying on business or profession is not required to get his accounts audited under any other law. And third is Form 3CD. This is applicable for all and this report has 44 clauses. Let's see the actual forms. This is Form 3CA. This report will be applicable for only companies. This is the report given by CA with audit observation related to tax audit. Second is Form 3CB. This report will be applicable for assessees other than companies. It is given by CA with audit observations related to tax audit. And third is Form 3CD. This is applicable for all. This is the summary of tax audit work and related annexure. Okay students, here today's session is over. Tomorrow we will see more information about tax audit. Thank you for watching.